All right, what's good, YouTube? So today we're looking at gold again. You know what I'm saying? I got the drop on it last night. They told me what the play was. So this is why it's good to always have friends in the industry and people that know what's going on, so that you can get the heads up when a big move is coming. So I know everybody is still chasing that sale, but I'm telling y'all, ain't no sale coming on. Keep taking this buy. We're buying it today. We're going all the way up to 50.45 will be our target today. And then if we are to look for a sale, like I said, that sale will come next week. But right now, we're going to just keep cooking them on the buy. We're going to keep riding the wave. If that's the way they want to take, that's the game they want to play, that's the game we're going to play. You know what I'm saying? What you do is you follow the smart money. Don't get on these charts trying to make up your own rules. Let me see what's going on right here. I'm trying to get signed in on here. I ain't got on this password. But we already in on this play right here. And we got in last night. Actually yesterday. I sent it out on my Discord and I sent it out to my my IG. So if y'all ain't catch this play, that's on y'all. But let me hit this button real fast. Yeah, I'm still show y'all what's going on, cause there we go. All right, there we go. All right, got that up, got that up. There we go. We're still getting everything set up. Dropping these posts real fast. Somebody hacked my Instagram a few years ago. It's trash. Where's my file at? Hold on. I get money, I don't get mad. Alright, there we go. That one right there. Fuck it. Drop that one. All right, back to it. All right, so there's the play right here. We sent this play out last night. And like I said, even looking at the software, even with the information I got, like I said, it all still shows the exact same thing. All right, so number one being that we got a buyer's trend right here telling us to stay bullish. The next thing being that the buyers have control over here. And then the third thing is the smart money is coming in. So smart money is coming in heavy, and that's pushing price up higher. So even though I was told that we're going to be going to 40, 50, 40, 40, 50. God damn, I can't even see that shit. 50.45. 50.45 is going to be the target point right there. So we're going to 50.45. And then all you got to do is jump in. Now, if you was in the Discord, then you knew the exact level to get in at. And the exact level was down here at the bottom. So, all right. So you should be in this trade with us if you're in the Discord. If you're not in this trade, then I don't know what to tell y'all. I've been giving y'all fire plays all week. And I've been dropping these plays for y'all. I'm trying to make this bag 2026. So now what we're looking for is the open coming up in 6 minutes. And I'm looking for that open to give us a big push up to the north side. So that's what we want to see. I don't want to see a retest. I don't want to see none of that. Even though it could retest here, but I don't want to see a retest. I just want to see it just start to break out. Come all the way up here, hit the TP. Then we done for the weekend. We up out of here. It's Friday, so Friday could turn into a reversal candle. It could not. But we ain't doing no guessing. We're just going to take the information that we got, and we're going to hit the target point, and we're going to target 50.45 today. All right. Like I said, the 15-minute look good, even though I don't really care about the 15-minute, but the 15-minute look good. Now, coming over here, as you can see, on my 1 hour, my 1 hour still got a good sign too. As you can see, the trend is up, yellow over blue. The next thing you're going to realize is the buyers have control based on the hour. All right, smart money hasn't kicked all the way in on the hour yet, but smart money is coming up. So, but it'll catch up to it in a minute. Now we focus in right here on this 1 hour. It's the same setup that we had the other day. You know, we got 2 order blocks sitting right here, so price sitting in between 2 order blocks. So now that is a good sign because we have support at the bottom, we have resistance at the top. Now all we have to do is break out of this order block here, and once we break out of this at 4,986, we should get that big push all the way up there to 50.45. All right, so I'm expecting that push to happen today, but if it don't, it can happen on Monday, and then Tuesday we can get a reversal, but we ain't gonna get into all of that. Right now we just focus on the day, and today says keep buying. There is no news today, so there's nothing to actually do a drastic move back to the downside, so I'm not really worried about that happening. And like I said, with the tip we got, we're gonna keep pushing to the north side. So that's the play. I will say a good sign is that we had candle closure back inside of this order block right here. So now that we had candle closure back inside of there, that's a good sign to tell us that price is going to keep pushing up to the upside. So only thing that I would want to see on this is smart money to come in on the 1 hour time frame. But I'm fine if it's already there on the 4 hour. So let me hop over to the 4 hour real fast. Oh yeah, we Gucci then. So right here on the 4 hour, we actually got that correct setup. So buyers have control, smart money is already in play, and then as you already know, the buy trend has been there for weeks, and then we're still above the goal line. So price is going to continue buying up to the upside. Like I said, I want to see price hit 50.45 today. That is the sweet spot. PHA, but can't nobody kick us out. I will say this though. Next week, I won't be surprised if we came back to this order block down here. Because as y'all can see, created order block, fake like we was going to sell, came back, broke above the order block, never retested this order block. So this is going to be a sweet spot to put a return point. So put an alert there, and then we'll probably make a retest messages later, depending on how next week's look. Like I said, I'm not really worried about any sales unless the order block gets created up here, and then price breaks outside of that order block, and then we got to get below this golden ticket right there. And then once we get below there, I can guarantee you it's going to come down here. But as of right now, I got y'all to play. Y'all know what the play is. 50-45, bro. 50-45. About to open coming up in 1 minute. Oh yeah. I mean, it ain't too late to get in. You still can get in. I'm still about to make a move. It ain't made the move all the way yet, so we're still going to 50-45. Like I said, big buy right now coming up. That's almost 1,000 pips right there for where we currently are. I'd love to see it move $100 a day, actually. But $100 on Friday, it's looking like we're gonna have to wait. We might get like 90 of it today, 85 of it. But I want to see the whole $145 move on a Friday would be insane. I'd love to see that. If I could. Alright, they're gonna open right there at 9:30. Go ahead and hop over here real fast, see what we're looking like on 9:30. Do another little retest right there. Alright, here we go. I even be fine with candle closure above the order block right here today. Back above the high, because they probably won't make the move. Like I said, they probably won't make that big move all the way until tomorrow. Not tomorrow, but Monday or Tuesday. All the way up to 45, because that's a big leap. Like I said, that's over 1,000 pips right there. Yeah, 1,077. So from the entry to the TP is 1,077 pips. That's a big move. So we're gonna see how this goes. We waiting. And if y'all ain't in that Discord, I'm telling y'all, man, y'all need to get in there. I'll be sending these plays week in, week out. Easy bag y'all can be making. If y'all ain't got the software, definitely get the software, because that's the easy bag y'all can be making week in, week out. And then you can follow your own trades. You can trade your own pairs. So you'll be able to see any pair that you want to trade on. The bot will be released to the public soon. There we go. Getting that turnaround off that bottom of that order block. Like I said, even today, if we get candle closure above here, I wouldn't even complain if it just, we got closure back outside this order block. But I do want to see if we can at least get to 5,000 a day. I think 5,000 on a Friday is a good day. 5,000 is right here, so that's still 100. That's still what's that? What was we at last night? 50. So it's 500 more pips right there. I think that's a good play. go. Getting a little push right there. Getting that little push right there. That's all I like to see. Coming up, man, such a season. There we go. We just need candle closure back above this hour right here at 25 minutes. You already know the real traders don't come in at 9:45. And if you didn't know, I just gave you the game. So 9:45, I want to see what they do. I need them to give us a big push to the north side. I can't see the numbers on the screen. The numbers on the screen way too little. But it's all good. I'm just gonna drop you on the back and slide. Let's show weed, all the cash is mine. Plus your phone till they back on live. All right, come on, man. Y'all being slow today. There we go. We just need candle closure back above this hour. Ball game. We want a 5K for sure today. Like I said, that's 600 pips right there that y'all could have got in even at this moment. If y'all ain't gonna get in where we got in at last night. Fame turned into a monster shit like Resident Evil. Everybody changing me about some money. There we go. 9:45 coming in a second. That was alert. What's that? US 30 hit, take profit 1. I don't even think I got to send it. I don't think I sent US 30 signal out last night. Let me look at it. So obviously it was selling. So if I turn the bot on, yep. Oh, I said TP. That's ASL. NASDAQ. GJ. Oh, this must be wrong. Oh yeah, that's that's what it is. Alright, my bad. My bad. That was on the wrong way. Yeah, US 30 still wrong. Alright, that's what I was doing. Alright, there we go. That's in the sell. GU took forever to start moving. We was in GU like a week ago and never made the move. UJ, GJ, both did some crazy stuff. Euro making a move. Bitcoin, gold. Alright, we broke the high of that candle. That's what I like to see. Broke the high right there, so y'all can see. That's a good sign. So if y'all jumped in late, I mean, y'all still in profit. Y'all could have got in when it was down here, 36. So it's up 100 pips for y'all. It's at 47 now. Alright, here we go. Yeah, right, but I'm gonna shoot it too. There we go, getting that breakout. It's a slow Friday. Well, it's 9:45 coming up in 3 minutes. Like I told y'all, 9:45 when the real traders come in. So we should get some volume in about 3 minutes. I don't want to tie Ratchet, my dog in the casket. I already tapped in. At minimum, we reaching 5K today. I don't give a fuck who against me now. I got them in this war. At minimum. go, 9:45. Looking for the push right now. I'm over here looking at the account at the same time, so I'm trying to watch and see what's going on. Like I said, I'm looking for us to go to 5K today. I used to be an honor student. Damn. Beast. There we go. Getting that push. Why you want to be a shooter? But I did it. Calling mama like I shouldn't have did it. Watch my dream shatter in an instant. Getting that push we deserve right here. Told y'all. Let's start toting. We need candle closure, but it's our. Wait, I'm buying bells. There we go. Need to know y'all eating with me, man. Like I said, now we waiting to see is candle closure. Like I said, above that order block. As soon as we get candle closure, right back above this order block right here, that's all she wrote, man. Right here, we got a few sellers in this area, as you can tell. That's why the market did that dip down there. But as soon as we get past where all the sellers are, 1 hour candle closed above here, that's all she wrote. Stay over there, my G. And then look at yourself and see how you playing yourself. Yeah, nigga. I'm gonna let you know. The open's always slow, man. We waiting on 10 o'clock. I need that next hour candle to do a little more volume, but we're still looking good. Still looking good. Still looking good in this play. For a 30 piece. We've been doing this all week, man. Michael. I do want to see this 1 hour candle though close higher than here. Gotta close higher than this level. Otherwise we might have just like a slow Friday where nothing really happens and it just kind of just dwindles out. But as long as we get candle closure above there, this 1 hour, that will be good. Got about a minute left. Minute 20. Minute 20. Reaper coming, gotta keep it on. These dudes online, they be making millions, stealing each other posts. Don't go live taking no trades. Don't be calling no plays. They all cap. And I miss them tell the truth. Little Snoop. It's a terrible close that hour, but it's all good. They may come back down here and retest this order block again. We need that to close above there. Tears on my face, man. I be crying blood. All right, like it's gonna be a slow Friday so far because we ain't getting no volume, right? And like I said, there's no news, so it's nothing significant to make us have a big push today. But keep swinging y'all positions, keep staying in y'all positions. Like I said, if you look at my chart, you can kind of copy the order blocks that I got up here. You know what I'm saying? The software does it automatically, but we want candle closure above this order block right here so that the price can continue buying. And then once we get that close above there, that's all she wrote, like I said. So that's what we're looking for. That's what we got set up. And that was the New York Open today. So we're going to catch y'all in the next live coming up next week. We're going to be here again next week. You know what I'm saying? We was live all week this week. We went Monday through Friday, calling these gold trades, spot on. Every last one of these trades was a banger. And the one that we currently in is also a banger right now. So hopefully y'all making this bag with me. But like I said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next live on Monday. I gotta get up out of here. Got a plane to catch. But see y'all on the flip side.